Maxwell's demon explaining itself using what it costs. Maxwell's demon explained, but watching costs you entropy. Right now, you are being Maxwell's demon. As you watch, observing, recording information, storing in memory. Which words matter, which ideas are central, which connections are important. You are sorting, organizing, creating order from chaos of possible meanings. This costs. Your neurons are firing. Glucose consumed. ATP broken down. Heat generated. Entropy increased. Understanding isn't free. Observation isn't passive. Recording requires energy. You are the demon. This explanation is the gas. Meaning is the sorting. 3 levels operating right now. Level 1, these symbols, patterns, information arising, chaotic until organized. Level 2, your observation, recording, storing which ideas connect, memory filling. Level 3, later erasure, forgetting, letting go of details, memory reset, heat generated. The framework demonstrates its principle, explaining information costs, information processing costs. Recursion, using entropy to explain entropy. Spending thermodynamic cost to understand thermodynamic cost. You are paying to understand that understanding costs. Meta, the method, experience the cost while learning about the cost. Maxwell setup, demon observes, sorts, creates order, seems free. Your setup, you observe, sort, create understanding, seems free. Both are wrong. Both cost entropy, both generate heat, both require energy. Landauer's principle operating now. Every bit you store is minimum energy. Hundreds of bits stored, understanding this, each costs. Some accumulates. Your body is warmer now than when you started, slightly, measurably, physics. The resolution appears in the doing. You are decreasing entropy locally, mind organizing ideas, creating conceptual order. You're increasing entropy globally. Body generating heat, glucose consumed, waste produced. Net entropy increases. Second law is maintained, even in understanding the second law. Information energy equivalence demonstrated. Framework about information costs energy requires energy to understand. Self-proving through self-costing. Understanding demonstrates principle by costing what the principle describes. Cannot escape thermodynamics even when learning about thermodynamics, especially when learning about thermodynamics. Why this matters? You cannot think for free. Every thought, thermodynamic. Every memory, physical. Every observation, costly. Right now, you paid entropy to understand entropy, spent energy to learn about energy, and generated heat to grasp heat generation. The teaching, not just information, embodied reality. Your body knows what framework explains. Warmer, hungry, tired, eventually, physical cost of mental work. The framework is not abstract. The framework is what is happening to you now, thermodynamically. Consciousness costs cannot escape this, cannot observe without changing, cannot know without spending, cannot be aware without generating entropy. You are not learning about information being physical. You are experiencing information being physical in your body, generating heat right now. The recognition, every moment of awareness costs. You're paying constantly to be conscious, to observe, to think, the thermodynamic price of being. You just paid entropy. Understanding cost entropy. Consciousness costs always. Every framework costs to understand. Maxwell's demon just made you pay to learn that.